Nakabenta ban kentiu ya ka kamrep kamriang ka badai katkum ka jukstan balalap da kiriu shempang ha ka rep karyang la penlong ya ka jing ya kendulang kinong rep bat kiriu shempang ka rep karyang ka balatip kum ka International Conference on Integrated Agriculture, Natural Farming, Biodiversity Conservation and Rural Bio-Entrepreneurship on the Changing Climate Scenario. Yakani ka jing kendulang lasdang menta ka sngi bat kane beteng hadu ka khnai trik jong uno pra araja afuai haplaw ka College of Agriculture Kadem Kulai Rivoi District. Hakani ka International Conference lawan banashim menta da ars pangut ke badai na ki arfuai tli ki jela jongkari. Ha ka ba ki lapha banwan mi khman da ki researcher bat ki scientist ke badai na ki sautli ki ri ka petai kumbasan sepangun kinong mi khmat delegates kilawan banashim mentahi daladi shimet hakane ge jingple yakane ge program bat kumbashi sepangun kilai shim menta lengba kita ki kor ki bor ki betip kom ka virtual mode lapdang sobharu ya baro da Dr. VK Gupta, Director National Research Center on PIC Guwahati Assam bala ai ke jingkren ru halo ke jingthmu kani ka international conference kabade kat kum ka thong jong ka sarkar halo ka rep karyang Batla kren bat pensyai da u Dr. UK Vehera u badi udin ka College of Agriculture Kadem Kulai. Hakani ke jing elang play u Dr. KM Bujar Barwa Vice Chancellor Birim ka Assam Agriculture University Jorhat u Dr. M Premjit Singh Vice Chancellor Birim ka CAU Imphal u Mohini Mohan Mishra Secretary Bharatiya Kisan Sangh but u Dr. VK Gupta Director NRC on PIC Guwahati Assam kila ai ke jingkren ban kia halor ke jingmentoy bandon kum ke ni ke jing yakin ulang bat yo ban pensyai halo ke kamriang kat kum ke jingkela jong kapor badru ban pendon kam ya ke rep karyang kat kum ke jukstat bamenta ketang ban yo jingmentoy kinong rep ha ke jela bat hakari nagaliang u Dr. Trilochan Mahapatra DG ICAR bat u secretary DARE jong ke sarkar India bat u president ka National Academy of Agriculture Science, New Delhi, haka bakren kumki kongsan haka ni gisngi, kilaban kia halor ke jingkela kamariang, bat ngidi ban bod ru ya kerukom rep, kenang ban keu ke rep karyang haka ni ke juk bamenta. Labteng ru ya ki program baper, da ka technical session, bat dang pensyai shusho, halo ke kamrep kamriang, bat kumno ban tengkai, bat ban yada ya baro ki kenjabaim, ki badon hapne kamay mariang, na ka banta ka pateng ka bansawan, jong ke jela, bat kari hi baro kaway.
And in climate change scenario, what can we do with the biological diversity that we have? 2-3 things on that. But before that biological diversity, let me tell some of you who may not be that aware. It was the biological convention after which India had developed this Biodiversity Act in 2002. Since then, Biodiversity Authority, after that was established in 2004, which oversees National Biodiversity Authority. I was the expert member also there. They oversee the implementation of the various biodiversity plans in the country, and to see the implementation of the biodiversity issue in the states, we have State Biodiversity Authority, and the control of that is with the Forest Department. The universities and other fellows have very little to say there because entire control is with Forest Department. Now, under this State Biodiversity Authority, there are in different blocks and all that. We are supposed to have biodiversity management committee, and these management committees are to collect the bioresources of that particular area and enter it in the register, so that the bioresources that you have in a particular pocket, say pocket A, all are registered by the BMC, Biodiversity Management Committee. But that is not very much happening. So we do not have a proper database as to what is the biodiversity that we have. So that has to be, I think, one thing. ICAR, universities and others must also join hands with the Forest Department to see that at least the biological diversity right up to the underground biota are met well. That is number one issue which will be very much needed. Now, the diversity, particularly the microbial diversity below the soil I am talking about, how can we use it? Now, recently there is a report from Canada that from the soil microbes, they found a gene which countered a particular pathogen. They validated that, and finally now they have proved that yes, this particular microbe can cure this particular pathogen. Now they are putting the seed with that particular gene so that it is free of that one particular pathogen at least. So therefore, this has to be, the message has to go, people should participate in the selection process of the panels and all that. Okay, now, it's a very, 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 very big exercise. But what I understood, the central theme is the climate change. Under the climate change scenario, how we should be doing on that. I am sorry to say, not prepared. Whatever comes to my mind, little bit I say, because the other day had come from Rajasthan, from other programs and all that. Acha. Among all this, let me start with biodiversity, conservation and this thing, use of biodiversity, which Dr. Mahapatra had also hinted, lot many things. Now the thing is, in biodiversity aspect, in climate change, what can we do? Yes, we are very rich in biodiversity. I have been talking about that, how to, but the thing is, we have been